Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Electromagnetic radiation of wavelength 242 nanometer is just sufficient to ionize the sodium atom. Calculate the ionization energy of sodium in kilojoule per mole. Here they have given the wavelength. What is the wavelength? Lambda is equal to 242 nanometer. What is that? 242 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Correct? Here what we are actually doing? We are ionizing sodium, right, to Na plus. Correct, right? So from Na, one electron is removing out. Correct? Then it becomes Na plus. That is ionizing. For that purpose, we are using an electromagnetic radiation of wavelength what? 242. Got it? Now we can find the energy of that radiation, right? It is very easy. What is the equation? See, equation will be definitely E is equal to Hc by lambda. This is the energy required for ionizing one single sodium atom, okay? So what is that? H is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8, that is C by lambda is 242 into 10 raised to minus 9. On calculating, you will be getting like 0.0821 into 10 raised to minus 17 joule. Now what we need? We need ionization energy of one atom or 1 mole of atom. It is about 1 mole of atom. We need ionization energy of 1 mole of sodium atom. So what is that? Energy of, or ionization energy of 1 mole of sodium atom. Very easy, right? For 1 atom, what is that? 0.0821. So for 1 mole of atom, what is that? Into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Very easy, right? Okay. Now on calculating, you will be getting like, see, 4.944 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Okay. So this much of joule of energy is required for ionizing what? 1 mole of sodium atom. But we need answer in kilojoule. So it's very easy, right? Divide this answer with what? Divide this answer with 1000. It is easy, right? 4.944 into 10 raised to 5 by 10 raised to 3. Divide with 1000. So your answer become kilojoule per mole. So 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 5 cut, you'll be getting 10 raised to 2. So what is our final answer? 4.94 into 10 raised to 2 kilojoule per mole. Okay, or you can say 494 kilojoule per mole. Okay, easy. Got it right?